What is graphic designing? How should I start designing? Is graphic designing a good career choice? Are you also struggling with these questions? My name is Yash and I am a graphic designer and I am here to answer all your doubts regarding graphic designing. So let's start the video. I know you all are not very fond of definitions, neither I. So I have made things simpler so that I can make you understand what the graphic designing is. So graphic designing is basically creating something random using computer softwares which should make some sense. I know you are thinking this definition is kind of weird, but yeah, some people will like it, some people will not. And the main thing is it should make some sense. What you are creating doesn't matter how you create it, it should make some sense. And yeah, you have created a good graphic design. I might give you some examples. Let me think. Ah, yeah, the traffic signals you see daily and the YouTube thumbnails. You might have saw mine also. Then you have come here. Instagram posts and many more. The world is full of graphic designing. The design on your computer desktop might be one of them, or YouTube banner, LinkedIn banner, Facebook banner, Facebook group banner. Everywhere there is a graphic designer. A logo is also a part of graphic designing. Gaming industry is also a part of graphic designing industry. So I hope now you are clear with this. So let's move on. As a beginner, I also always thought from where should I start graphic designing? Should I start with Photoshop or Illustrator? For a beginner, I would suggest you should start with Canva. I would provide the link in the description. It is a website, canva.com, where you can design anything. Literally, you can design anything in Canva. And if you are learning graphic designing for designing some basic things like Instagram post, YouTube thumbnail, and some small things, you can design them very easily in Canva. You can also design some logos, and I would also cover Canva in next video. So till then, I would suggest as a beginner you should start with Canva, and if you are not a beginner, you can start with anything Photoshop, Illustrator, and go on to anywhere, Blender, anything else you will wish to go on. The reason I am suggesting you to start with Canva is because it is very easy to understand and you will also learn some designing sense after working upon some templates uploaded there by some professionals. So it is strongly recommended to start with Canva. So yeah, let's move on. So here comes the big question. Is graphic designing a good career choice? Let me think. Well, yes. And I have a strong reason to conclude it. Due to COVID-19, many businesses are shifting online, and many creators also had gone online because they are not able to perform their physical events. So they started to perform online, and to perform online, they would require some designers to design their portfolio. If they are moving to YouTube, they need designer to design their YouTube thumbnails. If they are moving to Instagram, they need designers to design their Instagram post. So there is a lot in industry, and the gaming industry is on the rise. So you know what I mean. You are understanding now. So yeah, I hope now it is clear for you. And another question arises: should I go full time if I am a beginner in graphic designing? So I would suggest not to go full time. Start it as your part time, as your hobby. You can devote daily 2 to 3 hours on designing if you can. I would suggest devote minimum 2 hours. And if you are a student just like me, you can devote around 4 to 5 hours easily. Once you are at a good level in your skills, you can charge very heavily to the customers and you can earn a decent amount and earn a good living out of it. So then you can convert it into your full-time career. But at starting, don't go it into full-time, and I would suggest also not to go there because of the money. Just start it with 2 to 3 hours daily. Find out your passion in which type of graphic designing you are good at, and yeah, you are good to go then. So guys, that's it for the video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit notification bell so that you can get as early as possible access to my videos, as I have a lot to teach in the graphic designing field, and plus I'm learning some new things also which could give a boost to your freelancing career. I would be teaching them too also. So make sure to subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubts, do mention them in comments, and do follow me on Instagram, support me on Instagram. That's it for the today's video. So yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing Canva.com.